Hi guys! Dito kami ngayon sa taas ng aming youth. Si Mr. Yan. Ganito kami guys pag nag-outing, pag nag-camping. So, dito kami sa taas. Kita nyo yung aming bus. Ayun. Yan si Mr. O. Ayun. Enjoying. Relaxing. Yes. So, ganito kami guys. Pag natutulog, tapos dyan sa uluhan ni Mr. maglalagay pa kami ng fridge. Our fridge, my love. And then in the side is our coffee and everything. So guys, tingnan niyo naman kami. Hello, tingnan niyo. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. So tingnan niyo yung aming palibot. Kita niyo 'yan. And then the bus. And then so ganito.
Cool.
Nice and cool. My love, you can sleep here.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
because it's very very windy, guys. So dito kami, wala kami sa camping yan, ha. So, ito gamit namin yung...
When my little
What is it,
Filipino is upset, I come outside and sleep here.
Yes, you are outside the Colombo.
Yeah.
Outside the Colombo. Outside the mosquito. Mosquito net. Yeah, so, guys, wala pa kami sa camping. Yan pala yung aming bus. Ayan, kita nyo ba yan? So, ito, ganito kami pag nag-camping. Actually, we did it when we traveled to Melbourne.
Yes.
Remember, we sleep here in the back.
Yep.
Yeah, so ganito kami guys. Ayan, no. Pasensya na kayo sa aming mga aura kasi pagod kami sa kakalinis nitong aming youth. Yan. Yun.
We need a mirror on the ceiling.
Yeah. We are relaxing guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. Yan guys. Bye. Say bye-bye my love.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.